Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to tune up your Echo weed eater, weed whacker. This is a PAS 225 and we bought a kit at Home Depot that comes with a spark plug, air filter, and a fuel filter. So prior to beginning, you're going to want to drain the machine out of gas, which I've already done. Next step, we'll disconnect the spark plug just in case, so we don't have this starting at any chance. We'll get that out of the way. So first step, we'll change the air filter and get that out of the way. That's the easiest part. See how dirty this one is? Past due for a tune-up. These kits at Home Depot go for about $18, and it comes with everything you need. We'll install that new air filter. Next step, to get to the fuel filter. It's a little tricky. It helps if you have a long pair of needle nose until you see the fuel filter, then you can pull it out the rest of the way. There's a little clamp here. Just slide down with my pliers. Comes off rather easily. Now you don't want to lose this down the tank, so just pull it off just enough and slide the new filter in. Bring it a little closer so you guys can see. Then you just want to fish that back in and put your gas cap back on. Final step, change the spark plug. Simple procedure. Want to get your ratchet. Undo this. And put the new one on. Simple as that. You don't want to over tighten these. You don't want to cross thread them. Just tighten enough. Assemble it back together and you're all set. Plain and simple, keeps your equipment up to par so nothing goes wrong while you're on a job or in your yard. Simple, took us 3 minutes to do. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.